Hi, I'm Charlie Norris, WAGO's Automation Product Manager. The number of Ethernet-based devices on the plant floor are growing exponentially. Therefore, controls engineers need to develop different kinds of network strategies to help critical information moving horizontally and vertically with efficiency and security. WAGO offers a complete line of industrial switches to help with your application requirements. We offer a wide variety of unmanaged switches, starting with a slim-line 5-port switch that is available with fast Ethernet or gigabit ports. We also have 8-port unmanaged switches that are in a puck style for easy mounting in a junction box, or bookcase versions for control cabinets. We also have a very compact 16-port unmanaged switch for your more complex applications. Many more applications are leveraging the benefits of Power over Ethernet. For applications that require diagnostics, performance, and security, we have a line of low-cost, lean-managed switches to meet your application needs. These switches provide users with intuitive dashboards to help reduce troubleshooting time and also offer performance and security features to help increase plant floor uptime. For critical applications, our MACsec security switches encrypt all Ethernet messaging to help secure your vital information. To find out more about WAGO's networking solutions, click on the link in the text above. Thanks for watching.